Hello. So, the door is finally broken. We're gonna have to figure that one out. There was already a big hole in it where like squirrels and such could get in, but now it's just not going all the way down. So that's another garage project. They got the pieces from Home Depot. Now they're trying to undo the old door so they can redo the new door. Oh, they just busted fucking. But, you know what? Godspeed to them. I don't feel the need to be down there while they're doing that.
Yeah, but I don't need 6 feet.
They've trapped themselves inside. Which are they're not actually trapped, but from my perspective it looks like they're trapped. They're in the box. They made it out. Now Chud's dead. So tell me of this.
So our old garage door was wood and it was rotting. So this morning, the bottom had finally fallen out.
Right.
So it was being messed up. Hey, bee, get out of here. There's been lots of bees today. And they've been a little annoying, but fine. So yeah, my dad came over. We installed this aluminum one. We still need to. It didn't really come with a good handle, so we're gonna get a good handle. The way that the springs that help you lift it, the installation instructions we feel are, let's say lacking in safety.
They sounded scary.
So we're gonna get some additional hardware because that's the most dangerous part of the garage door is that spring. And yeah, we weren't gonna do it today because we've been at this for like 5 hours.
Right.
I'm out of energy. And I want to be thinking straight when I'm dealing with a thing that can take my fingers off. Mm-hmm. But next weekend we'll get together, we'll put the spring on, we'll put the handle on, and it'll all be fixed. And right now, at least the garage door can close. I can get my fingers under here and open it. I just have to use more muscles.
I was very concerned earlier when I noticed that the two of you were in there.
Yeah, we built it.
And it was closed, and I was like, trapped. Like
There was a moment. Because one of the pieces I'm going to replace is there are some bolts in the upper that catch the wheels, but I can go and get some rounded bolts so they don't catch the wheels because these are squared, and that's the only reason they catch the wheels.
All right.
So I'm going to replace those with rounded bolts. So I need 4 of those bolts. Correct number of fingers. 4 of those bolts. You can tell I'm exhausted.
What?
It's got a little bit of well, we don't need that part. Alright, so we got a new garage door. We came with these, and because they're flat, the wheels keep knocking them. So I got round ones.
Nice.
Now I just gotta, since the door's already up, I just gotta replace them one at a time, and then the door should slide on and off much easier.
He's so tall. Look how tall. He's so tall.
Tallest husband.
Mm-hmm. I'm less tall.
Yes. Well, I'm top shelf husband.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And you make sure I know what's on the floor.
Yeah, you drop anything, I'm on it. I got it.
It might not be fine because it goes.
Even though it sticks out more?
I think it sticks out more. But I might be able to tighten it down. You know what? As long as this gives a bump for the wheel to go by, that should be fine. Alright, so.
Seems to be.
Alright.
The wheels got by.
Wheels got by. I'll just keep it super tight. I don't want this to come crashing down because there's no spring on it yet. So
safety.
This way, it can't fall down. Even if it does slide, it can't go the wheel gets stuck, it'll stop it.
If it's a bee, do not eat it. I love you.
Got some extra screws because we were so good putting it together. I wish I could get this fucking thing out of my way, but I can't. Hey. I'm doing a lot of work. Yes, you can. There you go. I know what time it is.
They're helping.
You smoked my glass.
Ah. How you doing?
Doing fine. All the way down, then all the way up. Oh, smooth.
Woo!
Down. All the way up. Beautiful.
Nice and done. So, does that mean the garage door is done?
Nope.
No?
We still have to add the spring so I can lift it easier.
And some
I
kind
have
of
to add a
handle.
handle so I can lift it easier.
Alright then. Rob's dad is over again. They're gonna do all the stuff that Rob said. And the girls have chosen to hang inside with me. I don't know why. But I love you both. Gonna pet you. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Hello. Yes. Good. Good baby. And you? Yes. Scooches. Random dice. We do too many things at once. Are you dead now? Nope, still alive.
Yeah. I'm hiding in the dark garage. For reasons.
You did something.
I did. So,
Explain.
new garage door.
Yes.
I think you already shot to the point where it was in.
Yes.
Now there's a handle, and the spring is in. It's going to get darker. So I can one-handed open and close it. You can see the springs there. So very easy to open, very easy to close. Ooh, that might be a little too close actually. Huh? Well,
Whatever.
it worked. Da-da-da.
And then
On the outside, the handle here.
it's off to the side because
We'll fix that.
well,
That's
then.
easy.
it was off to the side because in the middle was a thing.
Well, it dropped hard before we got the thing on, so it's a little bent here. And there's a bar preventing us from putting a proper backing on it. So we put it over here so we can keep it solid.
So there are a couple things you'll want to do to make it go all the way down and all that. But
Yeah, we'll relieve some of the tension,
either way,
which is easier than not.
all together, garage door.
Garage door.
Rock on.
Rock on.
Close enough.